Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you that is fairly well paying. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this application page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. I have featured some administrative assistant positions on this channel before. Some people have said you're not interested in administrative work. Other people have said you are. So when I find good high-paying ones, I try to share just for those who are interested. So today's job lead is from the company Sunlife. They are hiring an executive administrative assistant for their government relations and sustainability section. Now, they are hiring remote within the United States only. One thing to note, they are only hiring within the continental 48 states of the United States, so unfortunately, Alaska and Hawaii, this disqualifies you. But they are just basically looking for somebody to do all the administrative work of the executives. You'll manage the VP's short-term and long-term calendar and schedule based on a practical understanding of their priorities. You'll have to have the ability to handle any scheduling conflicts and prioritize their demands. Maybe there's a meeting that they really cannot miss and you have to reschedule a different meeting. You'll also make sure that you prep for these meetings, any slideshows or any documentation that the VPs need. So you will definitely have to be somebody who stays calm under pressure and can deliver when there is high pressure situations. You'll also have to work prioritizing the limiting distractions to make sure the VP's focus is on the most pressing and highest priority items. You need to be willing to push back and use sound judgment to figure out what warrants attention and be able to delegate what requests should be denied. So you are going to be that vice president's right-hand person saying, these things are the things you need to prioritize and work on, and I'm going to push the rest of these back on your schedule or something like that. So you're really just handling all of their tasks and scheduling as needed. Now, they are looking for someone, of course, who has excellent communication skills, someone who can be tech savvy, someone who has a strong understanding of travel arrangements, conference services, those types of things. You have to have that analytical mindset, someone who has self-confidence, thick skin, and a sense of humor. Now, they are looking for somebody who has some kind of a university degree, it says, or equivalent experience. Equivalent experience, they break down to 5 years of some kind of experience in administrative assistant or a similar support role. And of course, you have to know Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, all the things. But if that sounds like something for you, pay is very, very good for this position. Of course, pay is dependent on location and experience, but pay is really anywhere from $66,000 a year on the low end up to $99,000 a year on the high end. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical benefits, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave down in the comments section anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you have any feedback for me of how I can make these job leads more helpful, you can leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.